Can hotel staff give consent to enter a room? All right, it's a good question. My name is Anthony Bandiero. I'm an attorney and senior legal instructor for Blue Gold Law Enforcement Training. Bring the Roadside Chat. All right, let's talk about the background here briefly. Look, it's an officer from Idaho. No, I'm sorry, Iowa. So the person says, look, in the past, I believe I was told that hotel staff could give permission for officers to enter a hotel room and search all but the guest property. I was wondering if you knew if this was good information, and if so, if you could provide me the case that decided it. I have tried to find something but can't locate it. That is absolutely, just based off of these limited facts, right? That is absolutely false. Hotel managers, employees, whoever, security, may not give permission to the government to enter a lawfully rented room. Now, if you want to, have a debate about if the room is, paid with a fraudulent credit card and all that kind of stuff, we can have that debate. Maybe the answer changes. But if there is, if the room has been lawfully rented and it's still occupied, the room has not expired, they're not being evicted, et cetera, then they retain their reasonable expectation of privacy in that room, and and employees cannot just give consent to enter the room, even if the police have probable cause that there's evidence. Now, look, maybe the police have exigency, maybe the police have a warrant. But, maybe there's abandonment issues going on. But just because the manager lets the people into the room is not going to be authorized. Here's an example of this. A manager found drugs inside a room, summoned the police. The person, the target here, was not in the room. They were out shopping somewhere. The manager offered to let the police inside the room to look for the drugs and secure it and so forth. The police did so, and they're going to get smacked around in court because the manager cannot let let police in a lawfully occupied room. You have to have some form of an eviction first, right? Or the room has to be expired. Also, if you're going to go down the eviction route, the courts would like these people to be notified that they have been evicted. So it becomes problematic when the defendant, the occupant of the room, is not even at the location. A landlord may tell the police about contraband he or she has observed, and the police in turn can use that information to apply for a search warrant. But that course of events does not create an exception to the warrant requirement, stressing that the United States Supreme Court had never extended the doctrine to home searches, this idea where private people find stuff and then pass it over to the police. And we likewise decline to expand the doctrine in that way. So, there's your answer. I hope it helps. I hope I've helped you get it right every single time. I'm sure you'll have some follow-up questions. Put anything like that in the comments below. Smash like if you want me to keep doing these. It really does help the channel and get these videos out to other people. And I would really like you to subscribe to the channel if you can. If not, no problem. I'll see you next time.